Okay, we had this question in class, and I got confused initially on the two ways they were qualifying or describing the solution, both by saying how much solute is in there. So one was 71% by mass, and the other was the density. So how many grams of something are in each milliliter. So I'm going to start with this density. So the density is equal to mass over volume, and the density is 1.42 grams per milliliter. So I want to make sure my volume's in milliliters. And the mass I don't know, divided by the volume they say are present in 1.2 liters. So let's change that to milliliters. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to do it on the calculator. Okay, that gives us 1,704 grams. Because I just manipulated that, right? So I went mass is equal to 1.42 grams per milliliter times 1,200 milliliters. The mils cancel, multiply those, you get that. So that is the mass of the total system, or the total solution. Okay, so their question is, how many moles of nitric acid are in there? So this gives me the mass of the total solution. Let's do our mass percent formula now. So I have mass percent is equal to the mass of the solute divided by the total mass. Okay, and this is my total mass of the solution. And the mass percent they give me in the question. So I can manipulate the formula for the mass of the solute because I know both of those. So the mass of the solute is equal to mass percent times total mass. Okay, so the mass percent is 71%. I'll just write that as a decimal. Times the total, I just got there, 1,704 grams. Okay, let's multiply that. 1,704 times 0.71. So the total mass of nitric acid that I have in the thing is 1,209.84 grams, and that's of nitric acid. So then the question says, how many moles of nitric acid are present? So moles would be moles is equal to mass over molar mass. The mass is 1,209.84 grams divided by nitric acid. Let me do this up here. One hydrogen, 1.01. Nitrogen, there's just one, be 14.01. And oxygen is 3 of them at 16 each, would give you 48. Is that 13? 63.02. So I'll divide this by 63.02 grams per mole. Grams cancel. This will tell me what the moles are. Okay, so 1209.84 divided by 63.02. So this gives me 19.1977, etc. Looks like I have 3 sig figs everywhere, so I'd call that 19.2 moles. That's how many moles would be of nitric acid there'd be in that solution. If you wanted to figure out the concentration, you could do that too, and that'd be the moles divided by the volume. So the moles are 19.2 moles divided by the total volume of 1.2 liters. Might as well do that. Divide 1.2. That doesn't look right. Let me do my calculations again here. 1209.84 divide 63.02. 19, yeah, that's right. Maybe I hit times. Divide 1.2. Oh, that's right. It was right. So this is 15.998 moles per liter. Doing the 3 sig figs, I think I'd have to go 16.0 molar. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that density question. Thanks for asking that question.